The happiest day of my life. Life is always full of accidents and incidents. Some incidents are pleasant and some of them are horrible. About a year ago, I was walking quietly to college in the morning along with two friends. Near college, there is a railway crossing, and when a train is due to cross the road, gates are closed, and we have to wait till it has gone. As we approached on that morning, we saw the gates were closed and heard a train approaching. Just beside the crossing, there are two poor houses. In one, we had often seen two small boys. That morning, as we reached the gate, I heard a woman give a loud scream. We saw the two little boys sitting together between the rails right in the path of the approaching train. There was the mother holding on the bars of gate and screaming. Now, I do not think I am very brave, and actually I did not think anything at all. My brain refused to help me. Like a machine, I vaulted over the bare gate with two quick movements and down on the side of the rails. The train by this time was no more 25 yards away, whistling very loudly. I sprang between the rails, gripped one lad by the arm and other by the leg. With a great effort, ran across the other side. As we all fell in a heap on the other side, a strong wind hit me as the train dashed past with roar. An old biscuit box with which they had been playing was thrown high in the air. I stood up then, my knees trembling and a sick feeling in my stomach. The whole thing took less time than I have taken to tell it. For quite some time I stood motionless, wondering at the thing which I had done. I thought that it was from God's side. He gave me strength and courage to save the life of those poor babies. Had I delayed for a minute, they would have been crushed under the wheel of the train. There was a great slapping me on the back, and principal mention of it before all the college. I was given a special prize at the end of the year. But I do not think my great happiness came from the fuss of people or from the prize. It was a good fortune that I was able to save lives and found a new confidence in myself. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.